I'm working for Rohde and Schwarz. I'm head of AI and software for microwave imaging products. We are responsible for security scanners at airports. Yeah, last year was the first year for Rohde and Schwarz to attend 3DBodyTech. Certain difficulties when it comes to scanning people that would need to undress if you want to get really precise measurements. And that's where we thought microwave imaging could come to the rescue. You can image, with the help of our sensors, what's hidden inside or underneath the clothing in a non-invasive manner. And, for the study, we've been using the system on the right side, which is our so-called QPS-21 security scanner. Basically, the pipeline that's depicted on the right is we do a data acquisition. Then we have advanced image reconstruction algorithms in place that turn the microwave imaging data into 3D volumetric data. Take one image of the person to produce a high-resolution full-body image, one shot. Just takes 24 milliseconds, followed by image reconstruction. In total, the entire process is done in 1 second. So we made an experiment that involved microwave imaging technology, of course, but we wanted to compare to 3D body scanning. So we compared to data that we acquired with the Arctic Leo handheld scanner, and also we did some measurements using the traditional measuring tape technique. What we did is we took a mannequin, a static mannequin, and put it inside our machine. The mannequin at first was totally undressed, no clothing at all. We took a scan with our machine, followed by a scan with the Arctic Leo. And then we put on a jacket, a heavy workwear jacket on that mannequin, and redid the whole procedure. Here on the right-hand side, you can see the avatar obtained from the 3D mesh generated by the Arctic Leo. And slightly to the left of it, in this blue color scheme, you can see a volume rendering of our microwave imaging data of this mannequin while wearing the jacket. And you see, first of all, yes, the jacket is gone. We had a 3D mesh coming from the Arctic Leo. We had the 3D volume coming from our system. Next, we did a visual comparison. But then we also tried to do a quantitative assessment. We took the resulting images from the Arctic Leo and our microwave imaging system, and we brought the images into the same space, in the same coordinate system. We extracted so-called axial slices at different positions. These white intensities from our microwave imaging sensor and the yellow line, the 3D body scan surface of the mannequin without clothing, they overlap very, very well. And then you can also see that there's a purple line which shows the 3D surface of the mannequin where the jacket was put on. So there's quite a significant gap between that surface and the surface without clothing. We did tape measurements of that mannequin, of course. We had multiple people do the measurements repeatedly. In terms of numbers, we are not really far away from 3D scans and tape measurements. And we saw that the clothing sizes, for the most part, do fit very well.